is that a quality of seriousness about these writers, about like they have decided this is it. I am writing my book and I'm writing it in 10 months, right? And so people who come and join it, like everybody is serious of mind that this is what they're going to do, and we get them to the finish line. So I think if you're serious about writing your book, like just like join us, we will get you there.
And and I want to tell you that when we say we, so there's a lot of wonderful workshops out there. But what Alex and I do, besides the classes, besides teaching the craft and all of that, is that we meet with you. 1 week you meet with Alex, the other week you meet with me for 1 hour each every month. Plus, we're available every day for your questions or anything you need, because we are really with you to give you the guidance to help you write the book you want to write. We're not going to tell you what book we want you to write, like sometimes you may hear in certain writing workshops. We figure out with you what you want to do, and then we help you do it. And if you change your mind, we help you make that change. But we will get you to where you need to go.
Yeah, and, you know, I have this.
So how do you write a book?
Well, that's what I was going to say. That one of the hacks, or one of the sort of things that Pat and I have learned is that if you want to write a book, how to write a book means you need to place that task, that job. You have to place that like really high on your to-do list. It has to be like one of the first things you think about. You have to think about it. You have to be engaged with it day after day after day. And that's how you get it done. Right. And that's part of what we ensure you do by having, we have write-ins. We have people meet every day, every sort of weekday to be together as they write. So,
and some days it may only be 10 minutes, but
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Yeah.
It's the engagement that counts. So if you want, like, if you remember nothing else about this podcast and about how to write a book, it's like you need to be engaged with it every day. That doesn't necessarily, you don't have to write every day.
Like, and then I want to, and we want to address.
She's going to argue with me, but go
ahead. No, I'm not going to argue. I agree, and I'm going to address the excuses that I have given a million times. I have a family. I have a job. I work too much. You know, I have too many hours. All these excuses that I broke my leg, whatever. All these excuses that we put in front of ourselves, they're real. Life is real. It's going to hit us in a million ways, whether we know what's coming or not. We got to deal with it. But that's what we've been really good with as well, is we help people with their full-time jobs and families and all the life obligations they have to make this work and to be able to write their book in the 10 months. So we're not talking about people that have nothing else to do. We're talking about people that have full schedules, full lives. We got it's funny, a lot of our students happen to be lawyers, doctors, and therapists. So I don't know what that says, but whatever it is, but whatever it is that you do in your life, it's, what are you waiting for? I mean, come on, we're right.
What are you waiting for?
There's not an infinite amount of time in the world. I don't want to basically say you're going to die tomorrow, but you want to get that book done. Now's the time.
And I want to toot Pat's horn a little bit here. Like, one of the things that she came to maybe 10, 15, even 20 years ago, Pat, was like just the key, how important accountability is. And so she had her writers at one point, basically they committed to write for 10 minutes every day, and they texted her. Right, that's the accountability.
And all they had to do was text. They just texted.
Wrote like, I'm starting, I'm finishing, or whatever. And people wrote like it doesn't seem like much, 10 minutes a day, but think about that: 10 minutes a day, 7 days a week, 10 days. Like, but after 10 minutes, you have a significant amount of work already.
My whole novel was written in 10-minute increments. My second novel that I wrote, and so
getting back to excuses, right? Don't tell me you don't have 10 minutes
in
any particular day.
You could sit on the toilet and write for 10 minutes. And I've done that.
Yeah. Yes, I can see that.
Yes, of course. Well, hopefully you didn't see it, but
I'm seeing it with my mind's eye, and believe me, I shut it down real quick. Yeah, but what I was going to say is 10 minutes a day. Go. Let's do this.
But there's a key to the 10 minutes. Here's the key, though.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, so the 10 minutes.
No, this is what. Go ahead. That's what I was going to talk about. Go ahead.
So we start the time. You got to time yourself, and you don't stop writing or typing or editing or looking back, and you don't look at anything you have written until that timer goes off. And actually, if you follow the whole program, you're not going to read anything that you've written for a while. But in those 10 minutes, there's no, this is not school or where the teacher's telling you misspelled a word, or none of that counts. It's just it's writing nonstop for 10 full minutes.
And when you start the next day, you do not reread every word you wrote the day before. You read the last sentence and keep going.
And that's
you read the last sentence and then
you
just keep going.
And your next sentence, in the first sentence of your next 10 minutes, the next day is the last sentence. And that's all you read. And I'm not going to give you, there's more to this whole thing. And there's a 21-day.
Yeah, well, they need to take the workshop if they want.
Yeah, but you need to take the workshop.